far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, a place I call my home. I was looking to belong.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's vlog. I am down my caravan. That is Megan in my bed. She's feeling a bit ropey, so she's got the full king size experience. Megs, I need to tell you a story. I just had to go down to owner services because my gas bottle ran out, and the attitude in there that they have, like, I only want a gas bottle. It's not a big deal. And I walked in and she was like, yeah. And I was like, please can I have a gas bottle because mine's run out. And she started eye rolling at me. It's like that every time down in that owner services, and it stresses me out going in there. And then she's like, that's £85. I was like, I'm owed a gas bottle, I'm in credit for a gas bottle. Again, the tutting and the eye rolling. And then she's like to her colleague, how do I clear this off of here? Like, all attitude-y. I thought, oh god, I hate going in there. Owner services, you need to sort out your attitude. It stinks. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Hope you enjoy the vlog. That's it. It is Sunday. I didn't film anything from this morning because it was just basically really boring. I didn't go anywhere, just got up, had some breakfast. What did I do? Oh, just cleaned my caravan really, because I always give it a good clean. Cleaned my caravan, went into Macarthur Glen and got some books, which I'm going to show you, and then came home and here we are. I haven't got Lily tonight or tomorrow because she's been away for the weekend. So her dad does American Civil War reenactment. Beth sent me a photo. I will ask her if I can put the photo in because she looks so adorable and she looks like a little dolly in her little outfit, and I know the real Lily. I know what a little devil she is, but the picture's just absolutely so cute. So she went with her dad for that for the weekend. Beth didn't because Beth can't stand camping because they do it all properly. Like they all get like dressed up and stuff. So she went with her dad for that. And so yeah, I haven't got it tonight or tomorrow. So let me show you, sorry I'm rambling, let me show you what books that I bought in the works. So I am so slow to this bandwagon, right? I know I'm so behind, but I was umming and ahhing. So these books that I bought are quite big on TikTok, and every single book that is TikTok recommended, Colleen Hoover. Oh, don't start me on Colleen Hoover. I can't bear her. I cannot bear her. I think her writing is awful. Don't come for me. I'm so glad people are reading, but these people that absolutely stan Colleen Hoover, it's a no from me. So I was really dubious about these books, but the mood that I'm in, I need a bit of trashy romance. I need a bit of cowboy romance that everyone's banging on about. And if I don't like them, it doesn't matter because I'm going to pass them on to Lisa Marie anyway for her to read, because I'm sure she will. She loves a bit of spicy romance. But it only cost me £9, so 3 of the books were 3 for £6 and the other one was £3. I also bought this cute little tote bag because I didn't have a bag with me. It's got bees on it and your girl loves a bumblebee, so that was £3. So the books that I bought, I'm so embarrassed to show these. The first one is Done and Dusted by Lila Sage. I do like the cover. It is very Andy Warhol pop art. In fact, Andy Warhol's the only pop artist I know. I don't know any others, but apparently there are. So yeah, I got this one. Seen people talking about it. It's probably completely rubbish, but who cares? And then I bought the Elsie Silver. Are they called Chestnut Springs? I think they're called Chestnut Springs. I don't know how many are. I looked it up earlier. Right, so there is there's 5 of these books, I think. But I got the 3 because they were 3 for £6, and then if they're rubbish, it's not that much of a big deal. Not that I'm absolutely rolling in money, by the way. But I'm going to pass them on anyway. So the first one is Flawless, which is this one. I'm in my cowboy romance era, clearly. And the next one is Heartless. And then number 3 is Powerless. Now I do know she has got another book out. I don't know if it's called Wild Love that people are going mad for. But we'll give them a go. If they're like awful, they're awful. It cost me £6 for them. So yeah, that's it. I had a lovely weekend and I am so grateful to have somewhere that I can go just to get away from here, just to go somewhere nice by the seaside. Yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm a Piscean, so the sea is in my soul. And it's so nice at night because you can just hear when the tide's coming in, you can hear the waves when you're laid in bed. It is just absolutely, I'm so grateful and I'm so lucky. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different, felt artsy, don't judge me. And I will see you next time, and I promise there will be a crochet video or a video with yarn involved. Alright, take care. Big hugs. See you all soon. Bye.
On the road, I've been away for far too long. But now I'm on my way back